I'm on a mission to demonstrate how any scrub off the street can build a successful stock portfolio using just a handful of handy tricks. Last episode, I got my feet wet with a focus group, some cashback churning, and daily login bonuses to pick up just under $190. I tossed that money into shares of SCHD and VIG, which are both stable, comfortable dividend ETFs. Those shares have gone up a few percent, and now I'm sitting just below $200. In this episode, I'm going to demonstrate some new strategies and keep expanding this out. I invite you to join me on this journey as well. We've got our free Theta Gang Discord to get you started, and if you really want to up your game, tap into the secret rooms on Patreon. With no further ado, let's get rolling. A few months ago, a dude walked into Caleb Hammer's studio to get his finances audited. He explained where he got his money and revealed that he works at Walmart for $16 an hour. And in addition, he uses the alternative method of entry program to get free wagers at online sweeps casinos. I talked about these sweeps casinos a little bit in the last episode. The gist is that they are legally classified as sweepstakes, not casinos, and therefore they must give you the opportunity to play for free. Almost all of them give you a little bit of chump change just for logging in, and you can and should take that every day. But you can also write a letter to the sweeps casino asking for free chips, and they will provide them. Naturally, it takes forever, as much as a year to get credited at some sweeps casinos. But the VGW platforms, those are platforms that are owned by VGW, have a digital-only version where you can handwrite a request, take a picture of it, and receive 5 sweeps coins the next day. With 4 VGW platforms, that's $20 a day. $20 a day is around $600 a month. One VGW platform called Lucky Land Slots is about to get retired, which is going to knock that down to $15 a day. That's still $450 a month. And to get that in dividend, you'd need about $130,000-ish in dividend stocks. That should really put into perspective how big of a deal this is. So of course, I wrote these letters as often as I could. It takes me just under 5 minutes per letter, so about $1 per minute for 20 minutes per day. I didn't do this every day. Sometimes you get caught up, but I did do this on most days and pocketed 390 sweeps coins over the course of about a month and change. You must play through those coins before you can withdraw them. In general, you'll want to play blackjack since it has the most favorable returns for gamblers. You can play whatever you want to, just keep in mind that slot machines are designed to make you lose as much money as possible as fast as possible. Don't go thinking these sweeps coins that you get for writing letters are somehow less real than chips that you buy at a casino. Don't give yourself permission to lose this on slots. Stick to blackjack, baccarat, or plinko. I finished with 371 sweeps coins, which is actually lower than expected for the return on blackjack. I lost about 5%. But with only 390 games played, that's within a reasonable distribution for a bad day. I'll look forward to a better return statistic next time. This is still a good amount of cash here, and I'm going to dump it all into right about 1.5 shares of VIG. And all ready for the challenge, my portfolio is at a respectable $569. Let's keep on pumping it. The focus early in your investing career will likely be on equities, but there will come a time when you are ready to diversify. I've been an advocate for diversifying into real estate for a while, and some of you guys will even remember that the original intent of the Freeloader Challenge was to buy real estate to become a landlord. The problem is that dealing with tenants and rental property upkeep can become very cumbersome, and the barrier to entry of actually buying a house can also be very high. Fortunately, there is a backdoor to landlordship through ARC7, who is graciously sponsoring this video. With ARC7, you can purchase publicly available shares of companies that exist specifically to own and manage one property. As a shareholder, you're entitled to dividends from that property's profit, which reaches your account in the first week of each month. I've been building my ARC7 portfolio for the better part of a year. My dividend rate is about 4.8%, but the real returns come from their bonuses. At the beginning of each month, ARC7 does a dividend day bonus for an extra $100 on a $2,000 deposit. I do this just about every month, so my total returns, including bonuses, are more like 8.2% and rising almost every month. New users can get even more of a bonus than that. Those who use my referral link will get a $150 bonus on a $3,000 deposit. I now own equity in 7 states through ARC7, and I'll just keep adding as I go. It's a great way to diversify your portfolio while building a dividend stream. So tap into ARC7 to get yours, and now let's get back to business. I cannot overemphasize how great focus groups are. I've been doing these for years, and I will continue to do them for many more because they are some of the easiest money you will ever make in your life. All you have to do is fill out screeners and participate in discussions, which are usually Zoom calls, about stuff where you are a company's target audience. For example, in the last episode, I did one for people who manage custodial investment accounts, and I got paid $125 for 1 hour. They've got focus groups for people with beards, people who install HVAC systems, people who vote third party. I can virtually guarantee that if you can talk on a Zoom call, you can get paid doing focus groups. Since the last episode, I did 3 focus groups. The first one was a group for people who make YouTube shorts or TikToks, and I got paid $150 for 1 hour. The second one I absolutely hated. I talked to an AI interviewer about selling merch on Instagram and got paid $60 for an hour. I really did not like talking to an AI. It was really uncomfortable, but at least I didn't have to schedule a Zoom meeting with another person. I could just do this on my own time, so that was nice. And the final one was a 45-minute interview on crypto trading for $120. These 3 together total $330 and took about 3.5 hours including the screeners, so almost $100 an hour. I'm taking this payout over to Robinhood and buying 2 shares of VT. This is a total world ETF and is about as diversified as you can get. Since I'm still in the foundation building stage of this portfolio, the blend of SCHD, VIG, and VT will keep me pretty broad and stable. I'll focus on more aggressive trading further into the challenge. For those of you who have no money to invest in yourself, but you're full of opinions, do focus groups. This is the perfect opportunity to get off the ground. My preferred platform is user interviews. Once you build a profile, you'll start getting emails with recommended focus groups where you're a likely match. If you use my referral, you'll get an additional payout after your first focus group, and I always appreciate the support. I do have an open focus group from a place called Think Talent, in which I'm supposed to be uploading my broker statements to train an AI. This would be a $400 focus group payout, which would be the largest one to date. I'm not entirely sure about this one though, since it does sound a little sketchy and it's not from user interviews. So I may take a burner device and do this. I'll let you guys know in the next episode if I proceed. It would be nice to get that $400. In addition to all this, I of course kept up with last episode's activities. You can watch the prior video if you want the details. I diligently hit Dollar General and CVS each week for the Skrill-enabled cashback. That turns up exactly $45 a week, so that's an easy $180 of gain. That $180 went into more shares of SCHD. I did learn that there's a $6,000 lifetime limit on your gift card deposits, so this is only going to last 3 continuous months unfortunately, but I'll take it while I can get it. Since it's been a while since I last made a video, I was able to bank up the free daily login bonuses from several sweeps casinos. That's $50 from each Azula, Stake, Crown Coins, and Spin Quest for a total of $200. Stake pays in crypto, so I'll have to liquidate that first, but Robinhood charges no fee to convert from fake internet money to actual normal money, so $200 more goes to VIG. Since I log into dozens of these daily, additional withdrawals will come. It just takes a while to hit the minimum balance when you're only getting $1 a day or often less per platform. But as those pay out, I'll add the returns to this portfolio as well. So 2 episodes in, I'm at close to $1,300 from just very basic public-facing stuff. Maybe that doesn't sound life-changing so far, but 2027 is going to come, and you're going to either have some extra thousands in your investment account or you're not. And the difference is whether you tap into the freeloader challenge or sit it out. There's no excuses. Join Discord, it's free, and you'll start seeing returns on day 1. I'll leave a link in the description below, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.